Alright, here we are back on the ship and trying to get ready to get out of here. And if we need any other things, we'll just pick them up. But we got to get this ship up and running. As you can see, I did a little more rearranging. I moved our med bay over here because I figured I moved our main pipe down the center. I put another jump drive over here. I figured we can get 10 jump drives in here. I'm going to take this one apart, turn it sideways. I know it's going to be a pain in the butt. But if I put it sideways, we can get 2 of them here. We can get 2 of them here. Now, the only bad thing is I have to take that apart, our reactor. And I'm going to move our reactor over here, because I'm going to take this jump drive apart and we'll put 2 of them here and 2 jump drives here. We're only going to get this little walking space down the center, but that's pretty much all we need. But we need to get our ship put back together. I'll show you what I've been doing. I just leave that door open. So once that little burst of air goes, it's done. But this is what I've gotten down to. And you'll notice I changed this to an ion engine. I found platinum. It's out here somewhere. I got it marked. And it was a good platinum node. But and I found these little doors. These things are cute. I would have put these in. I like these. This is like Star Trek. I can play with that all day long. The only thing I don't like about these is we got to box the inside of this, otherwise stray bullets can come in here. But I got our 2 refiners on both sides working. I took the one out from inside there. And this is nice because I got a nice little stairway to come into our crawl space. I put a container in here to make it easier for building the stuff on the inside. And I put some small hydro containers in here for the extra hydro for us. And so we got a little walkway in here, and I'm going to put more batteries in here since we are going to be using ion thrusters too. And these guys are all equipped with yield modules, so we can get the best we can out of that uranium. But we got a lot of building to do. And I'm going to put the ion thrusters on the side too. That's why I'm going to put the extra batteries in. And I'm going to put as many as we can do. Right now I am currently making power cells, 1,000 of them. So we'll see how far that'll get us. And how did that thing turn up black? Oh, when I was redoing the pipes. But I will give you a little tour here on what our plans are, on what changes we got. Now, unfortunately, what I wanted to do was I wanted to peak this up on an angle, but I can't get these things to go, so. Oh, that's right, I was going to put another gun in here. That's all right. We got the one there, that's fine. But I'm putting 3 engines here on both sides. The reason for, oh, I never fixed that either. You're burning my hydrogen. For the extra little push. I was going to put the big ion in the back here with that one, but it just looked funky. So I decided against it. I did put an extra cannon in over here. Oh, I put it up on top there. That's right. Did I set that up for that? Oh, I did. I just never finished it. Okay. So we'll have to finish that. But I'm going to redo the ship. I'm going to put a welder tip here and here. Oh, yeah. I put 4 on here. Or 6, I mean. So we're going to have to take those off and redo that. But this one here is nearly complete. I've been doing it all by hand. Pain in the butt. And this one is configured slightly different. I had to put the pipe up here because for some reason it was tighter over here. And oh my god, the other side, I had so many heavy blocks in there, it wasn't funny. This side here is really tight. Getting around, trying to get through everything. And I put the things in there. But trying to get around through here is a pain in the butt. For all the conveyors. And I did take all the conveyors out that were in there. But yeah, we got a little bit of room to sneak around through here. And I got a few tanks in here. But yeah, it should do fine. And I was going to try and fill it in with blocks, but then I thought, no, it's just like added weight. We don't need the added weight. The only blocks I want to fill in is anything with stray bullets can get to us. And these things I've been working overtime. I got one is on the platinum. And the other three have been running the uranium. And uranium, oh my god, we have so much so far. These guys have been working overtime. Where's the uranium? Uranium. Here I got a 132K. There's 650K in here. And I mean, it's scattered throughout a couple boxes. But look how much we have melted down so far. Oh man, it is unbelievable. But let's get to work. We want to get out of here. Should have put the Star Trek doors in here. I might change these. But they go in the middle of the opening, so... And then I'm really going to dread doing these. But if we get 10 jump drives in here... But with the added weight... And actually, before we jump... Oh, yeah. The one person I talked to was telling me that place we found, that thing that's right there, the UNCO. They said if we're somewhat friendly with them, where is it? The UNCO, which we are. We're at a 47. Excuse me, 47. There are components, tools, and gases. They said to try and get really friendly with them, do a bunch of tasks, and get into an alliance with them or something like that. And it builds up your status or something like that. So I think what I'm going to do is try and jump to them. Even though I said I wanted to check out the alien planet, we got so much time. I mean, I'm never going to get bored of this game. I have so much fun building. This ship is just going to slowly get bigger and bigger. I mean, I've jump drive status. I don't know how far we can jump right now because we're still on station. And I don't want to take it off station right now because with the engines not functioning yet, we are right on the edge of the atmosphere, and I don't want to tumble into the ground. So let's get going. First things first, we got to get this ship done. Am I empty? Yeah. I need to get this shit done. Where is a box? Because I got to dump all this into a box.
Inventory full.
I got to be careful because we are just outside of our grab. Oh, and it'll just hover.
Inventory full.
Oh, no, it won't. Oh, crap. I can't believe how much stuff I've lost that way. Don't hit the engines. Okay. This might be useful on building something.
Inventory full.
Yep. Oh, we don't want to lose anything. We're going to fill this bad boy up with steel and grids. Whoa, don't be glitching on me. Oh, come on. What's coming in? Oh, freighter. Okay. Freighters are okay.
Inventory
Except
full.
they do have drones. My guns are all operational, so... That's why I moved over here, because there wasn't any pirates. I gotta start making drones. I think somebody did send me a video on drones. Yeah, that stuff fell. On how to make them. I'm just crappy at making them, I guess. I really need to get down on how to make drones. I'd like to get a couple drone fighters that would follow me and defend me when I'm out there. I haven't run into too many of them. They come fairly close. Okay, he's walking away. We got a good spot here. Okay. Alrighty. Now let's get our tools. Block tools. Welder. Okay, we can go through welders. I don't care. Little bugger. Fine, give me it all. I'll just put it all in there right away. We'll weld even faster. Get that off. Alright, let's get to welding. Alright, welding we will go. Really? I got no comps? Oh, come on, I'm hooked to the ship. What am I loaded down with? Oh, hang on. I was gonna say, I know I got comps. All components successful. Alrighty. Let's get some steel in here. I just throw all this in there. Let's go first. Just go to cargo. It's easier that way. We need grids. Nope, you're nowhere near full. But I know I was making grids.
Energy low.
Yeah. Story of my life. Energy's always low on this guy. Steel plates. Really? Don't do me like that. Why does it always throw it all over the place? You guys have the same problem. I don't have a sorter on here, but this thing likes to throw it in all the little boxes around. Alright, you're good enough. Look at that, 1,500 it threw over there. Oh, fine, you won't fit all in there. Give me a white box, white box. White box. Really? Boy, this thing's scattered all over the place. Fine, I'm gonna have to do it this way. Oh, you can take more anyways. Just go to the next box. Okay. Take that. Box right there. 3. Well, I'll take 3. Take whatever I can get. I did notice when I was up there taking stuff apart and working. There was a lot of metal grid we were missing. Thank God we didn't get into a firefight, because we would have been in deep trouble. Oh man, this was easier back at the other base, because everything was in one pile. Missed my sorter. Look at it. I just asked it to make 1,000 of these, and it's just because it won't get. Never mind.
Energy critical.
All right. I'll go get some energy. This is over here now. Are you happy now? Yeah, just blow me out of the airlock. Okay, this one will do. Just do it this way. Punch up steel, and I still get all this, and there's no steel in here. Well, sort of. Really? Oh man, that's a good haul there. Oh, it's mine. Did I just take that steel out of my box and move it into another one? $15. Okay, you only got 6, so you're loaded now. Damn it. 15, 11, 12. Okay, good. I want everything I can get. But I don't want to have to come back in. This is a small ship. It's not like our big one that we load like 2 million pounds in it. I know this is boring watching me do this, isn't it? Alright, you're full. I got another one I can find. Oh, fine. Welder. Hey, welder holds 1,500? Or 15,000? Wow. Hey. Oh, one too many E's. Oh, it doesn't stay on welder. And oh, I don't like looking into welder then. Just do it this way. Come on, give me another good batch. Then we'll go do some. And I'll just spend some time loading up a box or something. Yeah, 48's 48. I think I just passed up a bunch of empty boxes, didn't I? Yeah, right there. Right there. And right there. And right there. Jeez Louise, come on. And that one only has 43. Okay. Come on. I want it all if I can. I thought I made a lot more than this. That's why I hate these small boxes. It's the only downfall. Not mine, not mine, not mine. Mine. I should have loaded this before I started the video. Would have been better. I know there's probably somebody out there saying the same thing. I know I would have been. Alright, you know what? Let's just jump to it. See how far we can get. Where's the cockpit at? Okay, it's gotta be this way. I don't have anything for the motors, so I'm not gonna worry about them. Oh. Let's get, take that off there since we don't have it on. Block tools. Put you on there. Okay. Oh, I love welding like this. How come I can't see them? This is the only way to weld. Holy crap, this is the only way to weld. Oh man, having 3 welders kicks ass. Oh my god. I gotta redo my welding ship. 1 welder sucks. 3 is awesome. I can't believe I was welding all this shit by hand. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it easy there, Tiger. Oh, you didn't reload my ship with hydrogen either. Man, I don't even get to watch it weld. Shit, is that everything? Oh my god. That is the way to go. Man. If I don't hit the wall. I said don't hit the wall. Wrong way. Told you this way. There you go. Come on. I don't want to weld by hand. Come on, get in there. There you go. I think I'm getting low on stuff. Oh, you even got part of the ion drive. Let me check something here real quick. Okay, we still got grid. That is sweet. Don't look too bad. Oops. This is definitely the way to go. Oh, the bottom half is done? Oh yeah, this is the one I started working on. Man, that is sweet. A green machine, the Hulk is coming along. Well, someone comes up with a better name. Oh! We didn't get this side. I guess we're gonna have to do this side now. Good. Love it. Love playing with a welder. Oh, you got some distance on you, baby. Uh-oh. What do we hit? Come on. Don't tell me you're empty. Well, we might be. No, not quite. Getting close to it, though. just sparking now. Don't tell me I ate up the last of it. 17 and 280. Come on, let's get this little bit in this corner here. The less I gotta do by hand, the better. Come on, I want that one right there. Okay, never mind. I don't want to run out of materials. I did. I ran out of thing. Okay. We'll go back and start making some stuff. Because we got to get the oh, the ion engines. I already popped these 4 in. It's looking good. Like I said, it looks like something out of Star Wars. I don't know if I'm in line. Yeah, I was. Let's see. Close. But no cigar. Oh, did you break it? Nope, didn't break it. All right. Oh, we got other things we got to do while we're waiting. I'll go ahead and close that. Let's go ahead and... I don't know why I always come to the assembler. Did that finally stop? Oh, it made 1,000 of them. Oh, all right. We'll go with 1,000 at a time on them, and them, and them, and them, and them, and them. Yes, I am a little psychotic on that. We probably don't need that much, but like I said, whatever we don't need, we dump. I'm gonna dump pretty much everything, so it don't matter when we go to jump, because the lighter we are, the better. All right, now this is going to sound crazy. I am going to dismantle that and build that at the same time.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
You're not letting... Oh, okay.
Inventory full. 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 Inventory
It's those
full.
stupid superconductors.
Inventory full.
Oh. Oh.
Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full.
Oh! You would have to fall down there, wouldn't you?
Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full.
You know, the bad thing is now it's got to recharge back up. Oh, it makes everything back here dead space though, which is fine. I mean, I can live with that. And it really drains our power. Fully depleted in 1 hour, and that's with the reactor, the little reactor running. That's why we can't take the reactor out. But I can get another one. Oh, yeah, I can. it clears that pipe. I can put another one on top of that, where before we only had the one. Oh, why did that come up blank and not crackling like this? It's alright, we'll end up changing the color, more likely. And plus we can put one in here where we had the other refinery, so we'll have two. Let's get that off there. Oh, we got batteries we can build too. Let's go for the batteries that we have set up over on this side. Oh! Someone's born in a barn. I think that was me. Okay. Got some batteries here. So we can keep everything going. Plus it gives me a little walkway here. That's why I love putting these little boxes around. Because then it gives us a little area to walk while we're doing things. We're building things. And yes, I like to move fast. Get things done. I know this adds a lot of weight to us, but I figured with the ion drives and with all the jump drives, we're going to need the excess power. Oh, I didn't even think about that. We could probably put a small jump drive back here. Or not jump drive. Oh, we probably could. Oh, no. Yeah, jump drive would fit right in here. No, I'm not going to worry about that. 10 jump drives in there. Plus we have 2 set up in that middle section. That's 12. If we only get, say, 300 with 10 jump drives, that's only 3,000. Doesn't really sound like much. That's 10 jumps to get to that station. I think I'm still going to go to that planet. Alright, now what does it say? Fully depleted, 31 minutes. I wonder if the other one still says that. That can't be. Now if we want, we can put a jump drive in here. We might end up doing that. Alright, don't be born in a barn. Better not say 31 minutes. Oh yeah, 2 hours now. Since we put in those 3 more batteries. And I put all our uranium in here that we had. Oh, it doesn't even say. Current output 1480. Yeah, I wonder if that one will be enough if we have enough batteries. That's something we should have. I mean, you know me with batteries. I got overkill on batteries. I need to get ice soon too, because the in and out of these doors. And if these things were airtight, which I know they're not because of the motors, unless we had these kind of motors sticking out. But the motor in the back, there is a air gap on these. You can see right here, there's an air gap. We would have to completely box in the back half of this. And I don't think we need any more hydrogen tanks. I think I got 3 on this side and 3 on that side. Could put some more batteries in. Ain't gonna hurt. Okay, I already got it on number 5. I made the power cells steel. So might as well. You don't have steel? How did you get... Oh man, this stuff just moves around all over the place. What do you got? What do you got? You got nothing. Alright, we'll just call for steel. Alright, who's got steel? You got steel. Give me 10. Get 3 more batteries over here. Why not? Just for shits and giggles. But we got a little extra power. shouldn't hurt. And if it charges the jump drives quicker, that's the one thing I'm thinking about too. Because right now I think it said 7 minutes. And if these batteries are fully charged, if we can cut that in half when we go to jump, then I'm all for it. I'm one of these people who don't like to wait. Alright, what is that? How come that wasn't filled in? Heavy armor blocks. Oh man, that's not gonna oh yeah, actually that zapper might hit that. If it doesn't, we'll have to do that from the inside. And these are the ion thrusters. Oh yeah, you know what? Did we set those up on the other side? Let's go check. What was you? Yeah, I'm running around like a chicken with his head cut off. Wasting air. Oh no, we didn't put them in yet. Oh, I gotta watch it because this is the edge of our air. Somewhere, yeah. See how we float? All right. Ion thrusters. Oh, that's hydrogen. Knucklehead. That's ion. Nope, that ain't gonna fit in here. There you go. Am I facing the right way? No, it wasn't. Oh, did that close off my walkway? Oh no, because we walk underneath that. Alright. Oh, you know, one thing I should have did. That elbow. Yeah, we're going to take this elbow out. That should have been a 1x1 container. Actually, do we need a one? No, we don't need a 1x1 container. Put the elbow back in there. Where's the elbow at? Right there. I was gonna say I got nothing left to build over here.
Energy low.
Yep, of course. I'm running around like a madman. Oh, it didn't do my door. I keep trying to run over there for refill my energy. That's why I painted this thing red. Okay, how we doing? What are you up to? You only did 300 with speed mods on you? I should have did the one from the heavy industry. Because it would have been done with that already. You charged yet? If you're charged, I might do another one. Yeah, 0 seconds. Alright. That means you guys are good then. Fully recharged in 24 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I guess we're good. We could pop in another one. We got that here, so we'll put it in over here. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. And got you. This is the tricky pop. Oh, okay, it wasn't so tricky. This is the pain in the butt part. Can I reach you? Yep. Gotta get a little robot to do this for me. Hey, give me more than that. There you go. You gotta watch that little line at the bottom. A lot of times it'll only give you half full. I've been noticing that a lot. Hey. Oh, what am I missing? 13 gravity comps. No. Oh, man. We need gravity comps. I didn't build those. Alright, we gotta change something here. No, we don't. I need that. But we will take this one and this one off here. Gravity comps. 13. And what else did he say? Gravity comps and computers. Wait a minute. No way. And 189 computers. Thought I made computers. Oh, I just spell the whole thing. Okay. That's all I'm asking. Ouch. You're starting to be a pain in the ass. Okay. Computers. Well, I hope we got silicone. Because we're going to make a lot of computers. And then we'll go back to making these. Got to keep you busy. Oh. Oh well. Well, there's that. I got that one. You got to be moved. Wonder if I can put one in. You gonna let me put one in here? You the right way? Can't tell. Yeah, you are. We can only get one because of that pipe. So this, that's what I said. We're gonna have that little walkway right here, because afterwards, that one, we're gonna turn sideways, pretty much in the same spot this is, right next to that pipe. And the only reason this pipe is here like that is I had to go through the wall. Do I want to destroy that one or destroy this one to put in the net one? This would be easier.
Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full.
Oh, you know what?
Inventory
Heck with
full.
this jumping around.
Inventory full.
Just,
Inventory full. Inventory full.
there you go. Not so far away though.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Wait a minute.
Inventory full.
Gravity comps. We'll finish that one off.
Inventory full.
Then that one's out of the way. While we're waiting for the other gravity comps. Your mama, my mama didn't raise no dummy. Computers. Yeah, you got computers over here. No, it's not a computer. Oh man. I put the computers in here already? Yeah, I sure did. Oh well.
Inventory full.
Steel plate. Okay, have some steel plates. Metal grids. You want that too? Gravity comps you're not gonna get.
Inventory full.
You can have all this though.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
You'd be dizzy doing this. Oh, yeah, take that too.
Inventory full.
You need all them. So now I got two of them I gotta wait on.
Inventory full.
Okay. So, we're still waiting on gravity comps and computers. What we got here? You're still on grids. Okay. Yeah, oh well. But we can do this now. Sick. Beautiful. Hey, come on. All right. Well, you see what my crazy vision is now? And actually, I can put one up there. I could put one here too if I wanted. You figure there's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8. Hang on, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 there. And we can put one more here. Just underneath that if we want. And then we'll have a little space here. Do whatever we want to do. I thought about putting one of those cryo beds in just for the heck of it. You're still on metal grids. I could take that one apart. How many computers shy are you? You got all your computers, you just need the gravity. Gravity and what? Just gravities. You need a few computers. So we can get that one and that one running just by dismantling that one. Okay. So we get 2 for the price of 1.
Inventory full.
Okay, I got my computers. You need computers. You need gravity. Okay. You need computers. Okay. Alright, now that's going to start draining power again though, right? Fully depleted 2 hours. Okay, what happens if we do the other one? Okay, we got stuff in us, so that's not going to finish that one completely though, so it's alright.
Inventory full.
No, we got to keep going.
Inventory full.
Oh.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
You know, let's just take it all the way down.
Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full.
You're not giving me what I want. Fine.
Inventory.
Whole thing comes down. That's what I'm used to doing anyways. Let's do this. Just in case it was gravity pumps. Okay, we are empty. And that's all I want is gravity pumps.
Inventory full.
This might be a little risky
Inventory
getting 2 of these
full.
on at once.
Inventory full.
Okay, now,
Inventory full.
now we already know this one won't go on.
Inventory full.
Can I reach out from here? No. Ouch.
Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full.
You sort of get tired of her saying that, don't you?
Inventory full. Inventory full.
That's all the gravity pumps. That means you are 13 shy. It's alright,
Inventory
I'm making a
full.
bunch of them.
Inventory full.
And why do I still have a bunch of stuff in my inventory?
full.
Well, fine, give it to you. Just to get it out of my inventory so I can
Inventory
take more
full.
stuff.
Inventory full.
What's in my inventory? Why do I have all this stuff? We didn't take apart anything else.
Inventory full.
Are you completely done? Yes. Are you completely done? Yes. Well then, you know what? Nobody wants this stuff. Wait a minute. Why do I got 81? Okay. I was about to dump that when we need it.
Inventory full.
Alright, just keep it in your inventory. For now.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
These things look like giant batteries, don't
Inventory
they?
full. Inventory full.
Okay. Now I can dump the rest of this stuff. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Alright, with 2 of these things fired up, how long? 50 minutes. No problem. Now, you know what's funny? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these bad mamma jammas hooked up and tells us we can jump 4,000 kilometers. Fully recharged in 4 minutes. Oh, because it's not charged. When it's fully charged, they'll all say 2,000. I wish it was 2,000. Okay. This is awesome. Alright, what are you on now? Oh, you're on the computers already? Uh-oh. What do we run out of? Cobalt. We ran out of iron again? Can't do that, can't do that. That means we can't do plates, can't do grids. I'm tired of getting iron. I did find a decent place for iron, though. Alright, well, that answers that question. Looks like I'm going to have to do some iron mining. I don't know if you guys want to watch that, so I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I am going to go get some iron, and next episode we will have everything we need. Oh, born in the barn again. And we will finish these off and finish off all of these wonderful things outside. I mean, they're almost done. We'll get the thrusters done. Finish off the roof. Our gun there, the gun here, so it'll match this side. And oh, did I take out the? Oh no, that was what that tube was for. It's for the gun. Get our ion thrusters in. Now I know the ion thruster is a little bit less. I don't know crap about metric, being US, so. But I did some calculations, and it's not. It is less than the hydrogen. So I figured, I calculated roughly, because we had 3 backups of the hydrogen, and this thing is stronger than 3 backups, and to try and saves a little hydrogen, so I went with that. But hopefully next episode I will have everything. We can get this finished, and you know what? We're gonna jump to the alien planet. Just I want to go down to the alien planet and check it out. I mean, I'm pretty much done with this planet. I didn't destroy everything on there. The last video I showed you about destroying stuff. We could probably do that with it. Where's my... Oh. Just to get rid of it, because I think we're at... Oh, I keep clicking that. It clicks off. We're at 55. And I think getting rid of that will get us at least to 60,000 blocks. But I don't know. I might leave it. Because we do have a little place on Mars now. In case we want to explore. There might be one of those little outposts there. This is a good little area. I mean, we got a lot of uranium here, which I was really happy about. Oh, this door's not finished. I'll finish this door real quick. I like my Star Trek doors. And yes, this is my little box for... What? Oh. Oh. Got gravity con... Oh, yeah, in there. It was making all the stuff for the gravity comp. Okay. So let's go back and get the door. All I want is the door. I dig those little doors. Those are cool. I think when we expand the ship in the back, which I am planning on doing, I'm going to try those doors out and see if they are
Energy
airtight.
low.
On your low energy. There's got to be a way to get more energy. Oh, it's full. Oh, look at that. I'm going to see if these things are airtight because it does close up there. I mean, we'd still have to have a double opening, but I just think they're so cool. And you can paint them too. This is actually painted the same color as our green because our green is a greenish gray. And I think I left the other door open, didn't I? Yeah. That's my problem. I leave one door open. And we're going to lose all of our air in here. So now it's got to fill up again. Because it's only on one green. Okay. Alright, well, I will see you guys on the next episode. This is Gmo signing out for now. And as always, enjoy whatever games you guys play. And like I always do, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alrighty, bye-bye for now.